What's up, guys? Today we're doing some creek fishing. Got my little ultralight here with some 6-pound high vis line, some crappie line right here, tied to a little trout magnet. Well, let's keep walking on this trail right here and see if we can catch anything cool out of this creek. The water visibility seems to be really good. You can see the bottom of that creek. It's not too deep in this specific area, but it does get a little deeper down here. Real quick, guys, if you guys hear some crying in the background, I apologize. I'm accompanied by my lovely girlfriend Miranda and our 7-month-old daughter Sophia. This is the first spot we're going to be fishing today, right over here. Very clear, as you guys can see. And like I said, we're going to be using this trout magnet right over here to start off with. And if this doesn't work, I also brought some worms. And you know, them things like to catch fish, so. First cast, I don't really see too much action going on right now. Usually the fish like to swarm the bait as soon as it hits the water. Maybe get a little further and we can catch something. Seen some tiny little minnows down there. Oh, there we go. Our first catch. It's a snag. Oh, and it popped off. Alright, we're back to it, y'all. I got just a little bit of a red worm on this hook now. See if we can't catch a little brim or maybe a creek chub. We're gonna try right now. We're gonna try. There we go. We got a take. There we go, you guys. First fish. Look at him. Got a leaf on him. I think this is a yellow breast, possibly. I'm only going to assume because of that yellow bottom right there. Not too familiar with my species, but there's a little fish. That's pretty much what we're looking for in these creeks. And maybe if we get lucky, we'll catch some bass. Best part, I've still got my worm. Let's see if he can't catch us another fish. It's getting a little dark out here, guys, so we might have to start walking back to the car soon. I gotta get my daughter to bed. But we might just go back out tomorrow morning again. Maybe to a different part of this creek. This creek's really long, so we can go to some different spots tomorrow. Well, I guess we're gonna have to come back to this creek tomorrow. For me, it'll be a day. For you guys, it'll be... Alright, guys. We're back today. Got my ultralight with me again. Got some red worm on there. We're at a new part of this creek. Right now, we're just walking this little wooden walk path. And we're gonna get to another spot. This looks like a pretty good spot right here. There we go. There's one right there. First one. There's something bubbling right there, guys. Let's cast somewhere else. Down there. Oh, that was a big take. Yeah, that was a big take. That was quick. It was probably a bluegill or something. I want to catch like a big old creek chub or something. There we go, guys. We got something there. We got something. Oh, I think it's a creek chub. Yeah, that's a pretty good creek chub, guys. Look at that thing. That stripe on the side kind of made me think it was a bass for a second, but that was just a creek chub. Small little taps. Oh, got it. What is this? Oh, hey, no, I think that's a rock bass, guys. Nice little fish right here. Yeah, I think it's a rock bass. I don't know. You guys let me know. I'm really not 100% on any of these species. But, yeah, safe release on this guy. Let's go right there by that tree. I think there'll be something under there. Oh, yes. There we go, guys. That is a pretty fish. Wow. Look at that one. There you guys go. That's a pretty fish. He's got an orange tail.